Okay guys, this is a video on photosynthesis. It's kind of noisy because I think it's Diwali and everybody's like blowing off their fireworks, so just ignore the noise in the background. But I really wanted to do like theory about photosynthesis, but I realised that it would take way too long, and maybe after I've uploaded the more essential parts of the photosynthesis module, I'll be able to go through some theory as well. Yeah, so I've just basically got the definition of photosynthesis up here, which says that photosynthesis is the process where an organism uses raw materials or inorganic substances to synthesize large organic molecules in the presence of light. Now, these molecules could be carbohydrates, nucleic acids, amino acids, they could be lipids, fatty acids, these type of things that an organism needs to survive. Now, this is just our general equation for photosynthesis, which is carbon dioxide plus water, gives us glucose. But as you can see, our equation isn't balanced, so we need to put 6 here and 6 here, which will balance our equation. And as you can see here, it's also a reversible reaction, so that means that glucose can be respired to give us our what was formerly our products of photosynthesis. And if you don't understand what's happening here, like you don't understand, I suggest you go through some theory about photosynthesis, like what sort of organisms photosynthesize. There's two types of autotrophs photosynthesize, but there's two types of autotrophs. You've got photoautotrophs, which photosynthesize, and you've got chemoautotrophs, which do some sort of chemical reactions, like some funny stuff. And you also need to go through like the structure of a chloroplast organelle. It's got a double membrane, it's got lamellae, which is also known as thylakoids, and intergranule lamellae, and like a stack of thylakoids is called a granum or grana, which is the plural. So you need to go through all of these things, and like within the thylakoid membrane, you have got like funnel-like type of structures called photosystems. And these photosystems, you've got photosystem 2 and you've got photosystem 1, and they are basically photosystems, and they're sort of like a funnel, like this, like a funnel, and they've got a chlorophyll pigment at the bottom of it called a pigment reagent center or reaction center, something. I just need to go over that, and that's basically how photosynthesis works. So you need to go through that and how chlorophyll works, the different types of photosynthetic pigments. You've got carotenoids, xanthophyll, carotene, all these other things. And within our photosynthesis, our actual process, we've got two stages. We've got the light independent stage and we've got the light dependent stage. So I'm just gonna end this video here as a sort of like overview, or sort of like points that you need to look at before we go into photosynthesis. The next video is going to be about the light independent stage, which is the first stage of photosynthesis. So yeah guys, go do your revision and come join me.